Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This lesson introduces the sheet-related operations in the Google Sheets module. Sheet-related operations are usually used when you need to get sheet names, add or delete sheets, and so on. The commands for sheet-related operations are api.sheetNames, api.addSheet, api.delSheet, and api.loadSheet. Let's see how to use the api.sheetNames function. First, open EMILY.RPA. Enter the training mode. Enter the Google Sheets module. Fill in the sheet ID you want to operate. Note that the service account on Emily's bonded GCP key is open to Google Sheet API and has the operation authority of this Google Sheet. If you don't know how to set it, you can refer to the video of Google Sheet number 1. Then refer to the online documentation and enter the following code. The API sheet names will list all the sheet names of this Google Sheet. Once we have the sheet name information, we can target the specific sheet. Next, let's see how to add a new sheet using api.addSheet. Refer to the online documentation and enter the following code. The api.addSheet can be used to add a new sheet, name the sheet, and fill in specific information. The api.addSheet contains 3 parameters. The first parameter is the header column setting. The header can be set to be the contents of the array in order, using a text array. So if we add a new header, age, inserted between name and email, then the second header will be age. The second parameter is data, which is the form data to be filled in. Form data is stored as an array of objects in the EMILY.RPA module. Each object represents a column of data. The key in the object represents the header of the form, and the value corresponding to the key is the value in the cell. The third parameter is sheet name, which represents the name of this new sheet. After the input is complete, press Test to test the execution. Then you can see that Emily has added a new sheet called New Sheet and filled in the information. But be careful, because Google Sheets must have different sheet names for different sheets. If you use api.addSheet, but the set sheet name already exists, it will fail to run and pop up an error. We can open Debug tool. Switch to console page. Press Test again. You will find the error of duplicate sheet name in the log. Next, let's see how to use the api.delSheet to delete a page. Referring to the online documentation, enter the following code. The api.delSheet can delete a specific page. The api.addSheet has only one parameter. This parameter is the name of the sheet to be deleted. In our code, we want to delete the sheet named Old Sheet. Press Test button, then you can see the original old sheet has been deleted and disappeared. Next, let's see how to use api.loadSheet to read the sheet information. Let's refer to the online document and enter the following program code. The api.loadSheet can read data from a specific page and can specify the range of data to be read. The read data can be used to perform specific operations, such as changing the value in the cell, etc. The api.loadSheet has two parameters. The first parameter is the name of the sheet to read. The second parameter is the range to be read. If nothing is put in the second parameter, it means the entire contents of the sheet will be read. After reading, we use console log to print out the read content. Press the test button, and then you can see the printed content on the console page of the debug utility. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.